In this video, I'm going to show you how to get e-coupons for Price Chopper. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, I'm going to open up any web browser and then go to Google. And now I'm going to type in the Google search bar here, Price Dropper e-coupons, and then click search. And now if we scroll down, you can actually check out Price Chopper themselves and see if they're offering any coupons. If we keep scrolling down here, we've got Worth the Penny is offering some deals here. Keep scrolling down, see what else we got. So for this site, I like to use Worth the Penny, 20% off Price Chopper. And now, as you can see here, Price Chopper, 20% off Price Chopper, top promo codes and discounts. So you can see this one's verified and 101 people have used this and it's got a 93% success rate. So what you want to do is click into the code. And then once this loads, click into the offer here at the top. Receive up to 20%. And now copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Price Chopper to save 20% off your order. These codes do change daily or weekly, so be sure to check that out.